What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I am really focusing on my M1 Finance dividend portfolio with these three real estate investment trusts. They have significant dividend increases. They're very popular real estate investment trusts, and they're high yield dividend stocks. I have emphasized this numerous times. I'm focusing a lot of attention on these three real estate investment trusts. I'll go over them real quick. I'm going to be very brief with this one. I'm going to be more in depth with future videos, but I wanted to be real fast with this one. I want to show you what I'm focusing on and why I'm doing it. And I've done previous videos on these, but I just love these ones, and I'm buying these, and I'm going to keep on buying them until I get to 25, 50, maybe about 50 shares, and then I'm going to start changing my percentage in M1 Finance. So let's check this out right now. First one is VICI Properties. I have emphasized this before. It has a dividend yield of 4.99%. It is sitting at $28.87. Its year range was 22.13, 33.35. These guys have significantly increased their dividends, and I'm going to keep on reinvesting them. I'm going to show you their dividend history real quick. So I bought some shares today, and how can I say no to this? 26 cents, 28 cents, 29, 33, 36. Dividend yield is 4.9%. Annual dividend is 144. It's sitting at 28.87. Very popular. This is a cheap real estate investment trust for you to look at. This is less than $30. How do you say no to that? This is very attractive. So I just wanted to be very brief with that one. I'm going to show you the next dividend stock I'm targeting. I have a little bit of a higher percentage on Omega Healthcare Investors as well. It's sitting at $30.33. Dividend yield is 8.84%. And again, Omega Healthcare Investors, this is long-term facilities that people are, these are beds that are getting filled at long-term care facilities, and I can't say no to that. I put a higher percentage in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. You guys know that are very active on my channel. I've been focusing on these guys. I like the dividend yield. I think it's okay. Again, none of this is financial advice, but I'm just telling you which ones I'm targeting right now. And I will show you an update in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio eventually, but this is what I'm focusing on. It's cheap. I'm capitalizing on the dividend yield. You can't say no to it. So far, so good. Beds are going to get filled. They look pretty stable, and I'm going to show you their dividend history. I mean, they've been jumping up like crazy. 50, 61, 65, 66, 67 cents. It's $30.33, and it's shooting up 67 cents per share. So it's 8.72%. Now, again, usually when there's a higher than 5%, I really look into it before I make the call, and I like what I see. So Omega Healthcare Investors have a high percentage on these guys. I want my QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD to buy these three real estate investment trusts. And the next one, I'll show you my last one. I'm going heavy into MPW as well, Medical Properties Trust. It's 2068, 5.42% dividend yield. It was in line with the S&P, and then it took a little bit of a nosedive, so that's not bad at all. And again, this is a big one. This is in Australia, Germany, Italy, Portugal, Spain. This is pretty much Europe, the United States. These are guys are well diversified, and again, these are subject to NNN leases, which make things very attractive as a dividend stock. And I'm going to show you its dividend history. 20 cents, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 28 cents. Dividend yield 5.48%. Annual dividend of $1.12. That ain't bad at all. So I'm going to show you one more that I'm really looking at putting more money in. That one is Office Properties Trust. It is 8.54%. I'm going to see how things are looking right now with it, but I do have it a little bit higher in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio right now in my real estate section, and it has a volume range of 1762 to 3169. This is one that took a little bit of a hit during the pandemic, so I really capitalized on this one. Bought some shares. I'm going to continue to buy more shares. I like the dividend yield. I like the dividend increases. As of right now, things look pretty good with this one. I see these guys improving. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, but I really like the way things are going with this one. And I'll show you how their income is just to verify. These guys were jumping up, and then the pandemic hit. They took a little bit of a hit. But they're starting to make improvements, and I like the way that things are flowing right now. It's slowly getting better, and I'm just going to hold on to it. I like the way things are looking. It's this is one to keep an eye on. This is one that I'm a little cautious with. This one proceed with caution, but I feel pretty confident about it. I mean, this could blow up in my face, but I like it. Again, it was increasing its revenue over time. It's not 248, it's 587. This is an annual of millions of US dollars. So I'm going to continue to throw some money in these guys because they took a little bit of a hit and the dip is there. And they haven't recovered yet, but their dividends are pretty nice, which I'll show you. Look at this, 42, 43, 55 cents. Dividend yield at 8.45%, 25.75. Keep an eye on office properties income trust. So be careful with this one. I'm gonna tell you, I'm still a little cautious with it. I wouldn't be this one. I can't tell you I'm long on, but if things are really good, dividends start increasing the way things look, and the revenue is increasing, I'm absolutely going to be long in these guys. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good one. I'm ready for those Dividend Warrior shout outs with you guys. So if you were watching this, you know that's coming out there on Twitter. So a lot of you guys that are active followers on my channel, make sure you send me a DM on Twitter. I will have a separate section for you guys that are the very active followers on my channel for Dividend Warrior Wednesday on Twitter. So you guys take care and have a good one.